Hello guys and welcome to PK and Friends. And today we are going to be playing the race of challenge. It's going to be 1v1v1 and it's knockout challenge.
So guys, enough of the weights. This is the track.
Eventually.
Okay, so I told Karthi, Prahalad, Naresh and the others to arrange the track, but I don't think it went too well. It took almost an eternity.
2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time, Carl.
One hour later. Eternity later.
Three, two, one, go! Oh, yeah.
And finally, the race is over. There were more than 15 cars getting lost and 20 leaving the track, and 30 to 40 cars stumbled their way down the track. Only some 15 cars made it